Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of a AMT Ertl Lamborghini Diablo 125 scale kit. Picked this one up many years ago. Here's your side box. A little bit of information there on the supercar of the Lamborghini's Countach. Nice. 348 cubic engine, 485 horsepower in this one. V12 with port fuel injection. This here kit come out in 1990. That's 34 years ago at the time of this taping. There we go. Go ahead and get right into it today. This one here looks like it got attacked by a knife at one point. Alright, I don't remember where I purchased this kit, but it was quite a few years ago. Well, right on top, it looks like we got some instructions. Wow, a little bit on the yellow side, picking up all that tannic acid out of the cardboard, I guess. Well, let's see here. Nice history on Lamborghini. Very cool. This is kit number 6933 and form number 0996933. Yeah, I must have looked at this one a long time ago. Got it all folded different. Here's the important, before you begin, instructions. Building tips for the advanced modeler. Always nice. Makes for a decent read. And step 5. Well, I guess step 1 is over here somewhere. Yep, that's what it is. On the back side, we have step 1. Putting your engine together. Oh, the coolant system assembly for step 2. See there? That's pretty slick. Pay special attention to these details because when I see them in the kit I won't know what it is. And number 3, we've got the front wheel and steering assembly. Very nice. Going to have steerable wheels for the front. And then rear wheel axle assembly. Very nice. Flip it over. You have the interior. Very nice. And the body. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of parts in this kit. Still be a fun build though. And that's it for the instructions. They're right on top, so we went ahead and did them first. Now fold it up like a map. Trying to figure out how to put it all the way and maintain our composure there. There we go. Alright, right off the bat we have a... Wow, this kit has been sitting around a while. Like I said, I don't remember where I got it from, but looks like it's got a little bit of smoke damage from being around cigarette smoke. Yeah, it's kind of got a little bit of a smoky smell to it. Maybe I picked it up at a garage sale years ago. I don't remember exactly. Here's a side view. Decent thickness on the plastic for not much of what's there for a body. Got a little piece here that's going to come out. Okay. Not a whole lot of detail going on that, but what is there is, you know, okay. Alright. And we have some chrome pieces. Nice phone dial style rims. Nice brake calipers and rotors. That's kind of sharp. And I think valve covers or the heads. I'm not sure. Maybe heads. A few things missing here. I don't know if this kit was started at one time or not. Like I said, I think I picked it up at a garage sale. Here's the interior glass and the lights. Sit right there. Here's your interior tub. Pretty basic. The front nose clip. Some nice looking seats. The rear end. and the front under part, the bumper, roll pan, whatever you want to call that. Set that there. Here's the chassis. A little bit on the thin side, guys. Look at that. Got a little bit of a warpage to it. Hopefully we'll be able to heat that up just a little bit with a hair dryer or real low heat gun and straighten that out a little bit. That's going to be an issue. I can tell that already. We got one of these. It could be suspension. Could be the doghouse in a in a van, old style van. That's the hood or the back part that covers the engine. Here's your interior door panels. Alright. Here's parts of the engine. Wow, interesting, guys. I don't see like an actual engine unless it's in here. Here's a part of an engine. I don't know, it looks like, yeah, it looks like it was started already. Okay. There's that. Dashboard, very basic. Front of the engine here. Little coolant things. Here's those things, those wheel things. Interior wheel tubs, I believe they were. Console. Piece of the exhaust. Looks like I got a few pieces missing here, but that's okay. We'll go to the old parts bin and find what's missing and make up something. Here's front spindles, rear springs, I'm assuming. Front springs, some drive shafts, cross member, wheel backs, the old blueprinter paper thing. Let's see here, we have, oh, these are the decals. Look at there. 2 license plates, Arizona and, man, that's really small writing. New Hampshire. Wow. Going all over the country. Arizona and New Hampshire. Diablo and CJS 104. Alrighty. This appears to be top of the engine. Or this is the engine half. That's what that is. This is the transmission. Is there another one? Yes, there is. Okay, excellent, guys. The engine's all there. Looks like our axles will go through that for the drive wheels and that. Okay, that's cool. We got one of these, which could be the radiator, I'm assuming. That's what it looks like. And 4 tires. Decent tires, real nice. Two thicker ones and 2 smaller ones, and they are, I'm sorry, I gotta go to the magnifying glass again, folks, sorry. Pirellis, wow, nice. Pirelli 295 50s, VR 15s. Yep, pretty cool. This first set of Pirellis I've found in a while. 4 of them. This, we did that. And just a couple of bits in here. Let me go ahead and get a handful of what's there. More engine pieces. A little piece of plastic, which could be a little toolbox. And valve covers. That's what those are. Looks like somebody went ahead and painted them. Exhaust tips. And another valve cover. Wait, I don't know, guys. This is new to me. Here's another piece. It might be the top of the radiator. And then one of these. Maybe a little vent thing. But that's it, guys. That's Lamborghini Diablo from AMT Ertl back in 1990. Alrighty. I hope you're all having a great day. And keep on modeling. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by.